Here is the set in all her glory before we remove her. I've had this set on for 4 weeks, and I do have a video on my channel about how to apply press-on, so if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. But you're going to want to go ahead and get a bowl of soapy, warm water. I also like to add a little bit of olive oil into the water. It helps with moisturizing your hands while you're soaking them, and I also feel like it helps remove the glue off of the nails. So go ahead and just mix that all in, and I dunked my nails into the water for about 15-20 minutes, and as you can see here, they are starting to lift. You don't just want to force them off your nails if they're not coming off. Every couple of minutes you just want to check how the lifting is going, and eventually they'll just pop off in the water, or you can use a little orange wood stick to help with the process. But this is what we're left with. As you can see, I still have some nail glue residue on my nail beds, and I'm just going in with a e-file to remove that. You can also use a buffer or any other nail file to go ahead and remove that. After, you want to go ahead and take a wipe and wipe off all the dust. So here is one of the press-on nails that I popped off, and as you can see, there is a little bit of glue on the cuticle line, and there is some glue residue inside of the nail, and I'm going to show you how to remove that. For the glue around the cuticle area, I go ahead and take a regular nail file and I just kind of file that off. You don't want to file too much because it'll ruin the shape of your press-on. As you can see here, after filing, the glue on that cuticle area is gone. To get rid of the glue inside of the nail tip, I go ahead and use an e-file. You can also go ahead and use a mini file or a mini buffer to do that, and of course wipe away the dust. And this is what you're left with. If you order from me, French Tips and Frenchies, I provide you all your nails on this little card. I like to go ahead and put my nail set right back on this same card. So here's what all the nails look like once I've placed them on the card. Sometimes the double-sided tape does lose its stickiness, and in order to work with that, I go ahead and add some tack onto the back of the nail and just stick it back on the card. Now, because I did soak my nails in oil and in some soapy water, we want to go ahead and clean up those nails just to make sure there's no residue. So I like to do that with some isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and this also helps to bring back the shine in the top coat. This is especially helpful if you want to rewear your press-ons because it makes them look like brand new again. And if you order from me, I go ahead and I place the card right back into the Mylar pouch that I provide you. And that's pretty much how I like to remove my press-ons without any damage to my natural nail, and also how I like to store my press-ons. And if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And if you could give a like and a subscribe, that'd be great, and I'll see you guys next time.